Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Hey y'all, it's your girl Ro from Ro's Budget Life, and today I have a November 2022 second paycheck budget with me with some Happy Meal, and I'm gonna check my November expenses. So if you like that type of content, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into today's video. And I'll be checking my expenses and doing my paycheck budget breakdown with the Easy Cash Budget Planner with Saving Challenge Special Edition. And this link to this planner is always in my description box if you're interested. Okay, so right here I'm gonna put paycheck number 2. I'm kind of behind and I forgot what the date was. I got paid in November from my second paycheck. But my paycheck for November, my second paycheck was $963.58. And I had some rollover a couple weeks ago in my wallet. I'll link the little short video I had in the cards. But I did have a little rollover from that video. And that rollover was, I'm trying to think, what was that rollover? I think it was, let's see, 125. I'm gonna put rollover, and that was 125 for my wallet. Now let's tally up my income, and that's 963.58 for my paycheck plus the 125 that I had rolled over, and it brings us to a total of $1,088.58. Okay, now I don't know if y'all have been watching my videos for a minute, but I do have to pay for my car repairs, and my car repair total ended up to be what did I do with that paper? Hold on, I'll be right back because I need to write that down. All right, y'all, I'm back. I got my car repaired, and that was a total of $834.10 with the taxes and everything. So this was one of my expenses. I mean, it was really like a sinking fund expenses for my car maintenance. I'm gonna write it over here. Let me see. I'll go ahead and write it over here. Car maintenance. And that was $834.10. And that was the total of my car repairs. And I believe this check, I paid my tithes, $97. Trying to think, what else did I pay? My Chase bill, it was $35. So let's tally this up. Okay, I'm gonna tally up my tithes plus 35, and that total of 132. So I have to take 132 minus I'll have remaining $956.58. So from here, I have that remaining, and I do this up here. So that total is $834.10. And if I take $956.58 minus $834.10, that'll bring me with, hold on, let's see. If I do $26.58 minus $834.10, and I have putting my savings $122.48, and I did not budget for any gas or cash inflows this pay period because I had already had enough cash for that, because my sister cashed out me and blessed me, so I did use that for my gas and everything, groceries and stuff. I think I mainly used it for groceries, but here we have it, and I'm so glad I got my car fixed. And next I'm going to go over some
y'all, I didn't even finish my
October,
budget, but just know it was a zero-based budget
that I did on my credit card. And I saw an expense tracker somewhere. Let's see. I'll use this side to write down my expenses. Okay, so look like November 12th. I did a SD order, and I ordered some, I think a saving challenge, $1,000 saving challenge that day, and that was November 12th. And then November 12th, I have done a recipe hair growth oil, and I forgot I didn't prolong my subscription, so that did come in the mail. Let me put hair products, and that was $36.95. Okay, November 14th. Let's see, November 14th, I did Kroger gas. I had to borrow my mama truck since mine was in the shop, so to get to work that week, I did go ahead and fill up the tank, and that was $65.46. And then I went to Walmart. I was out of something that I needed, and that was $14.53. And this came out of my support small envelope, my self-care. And my gas. And this came out of spending, I believe. So I still track, even though I didn't take out any cash. Used my credit card for cash rewards. And the 14 was from Walmart. Move this out the way. So those were my November trackings. Just wanted to show you. I didn't do too much because I was gonna try like a no spend. Well, I did do good as far as not eating out. And next I have some Happy Meal from Erica from Black and Blue. And I wanted to share with you. I ordered some pens, and I'll leave her channel and information down in the description box below. They are so cute. Thank you, Erica. Oh, And then she sent me some dice. I do have a roll the dice challenge, savings challenge I can start since I have some dice now. Thank you, girl. Okay, put this to the side. And let's take a look. Okay, look like I have a black and blue pen. My childhood dream was to grow up and be a police officer or a sheriff, but I didn't make it. So I just wanted to something that reminded me of that. So I just got a black and blue pen. And these are the colors of MPD, Memphis Police Department. I'm going to put that to the side. That's how that one look. And next one, I have black and a little bit of gold, look like. This one is cute. Okay. That's this one. Then here's my next one. Uh-oh. Just dropping stuff. This is my next one. Keep up with my ink refillers. This is so cute. Okay. Then my last one I have here. Stuff is just falling off my hand. So, yep. Here's my pens. And I'll be writing in style on my next video. If you like this type of content, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment on your way in or on your way out. And I will see you shortly on my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.